Welcome to Chica Gets a Cat. Dun 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 dun.
Hey guys, I just wanted to let you know that I'm gonna get a cat.
Wait, what? You're getting a cat? Why? We don't need a cat. We have all these animatronics to care for. We do not need a cat. Well, I mean, I like cats. They're fun. They're nice. They can be mean, but they're nice. Yeah, I agree with the bear here. I think that's a good idea. Well, fine. You can go get a cat.
Well, the thing is, even if you did say no, I already got the cat.
Oh, of course. See, this is him. His name is Snuggle-Upagus.
Meow.
It's actually kind of cute. Oh, yarg, it'd be cute, lass. Good idea for the kit. Ooh, I'm Ghost Freddy. Hey, Ooh, is that a cat? You know I like cats. I'm gonna have to take that. I'm gonna have to take that. Wait.
Hey, you can't take my cat.
As a matter of fact, I already did, so. Yeah.
Hey guys, let's be a little nicer here, okay? We don't need to fight over a pet. We can all share the cat, right, Freddy?
Sure, we can try and do that. Right. Ugh. I just came back from skydiving. I think I landed at the wrong location. Anyway, what's going on? Y'all are all like in a group. Like, what's all the commotion here? Well, I got a cat, and everybody wants to take it or either doesn't like it, so I don't know like what's happening. Freddy, you're gonna have to stop, using your flotation powers, okay? We have a cat.
Just edit that out of the video. Edit that out. Hey, fellas, you said you got a cat? Let me see. Oh, okay, here she is. Oh my lordy lord. That's a little tabby cat. I love kittens.
Well, that's a little unsettling.
Yeah, Moon, you can go back to the daycare now. Okay, skiddle-a-doo.
Hey, what's up? Y'all got a feline? I'll be loving some kittens. Oh, y'all got a cat? Nice. Meow. Aw, it's so cute. I like it. Yeah, bruh, it's so cute, bruh.
Ow, you can't be doing that, Chica.
I think she's either high or dead. Either way, it probably wouldn't matter. Freddy, you need to stop. I don't want to! Leave me alone! Freddy. I'm about to whoop you.
Well, guys, I be loving this cat. I'm liking this cat. Yeah.
Oh yeah, Anyway, yeah, it's a pretty nice cat, and, I like it really much. I just said really much. That's not even... Freddy, go away! We're gonna kick you out of your own pizzeria.
I don't want that.
Anyway, yeah, that's basically... oh, God. Anyway, So wait, I love kittens.
Oh, yeah, by the way, it's not that type of kitten.
Oh, well, I'm gone then.
Hey, guys, how you doing down here?
Well, we're doing pretty good. Chica got a cat, which we're all having pretty much, I guess we could say, mixed emotions about.
Yeah, we don't really know what's going on, but yeah. Well, yeah, so how about we give the cat a little treat, since you know it, I guess it is technically, it's like birthday for us. Foxy, give me the cat, Foxy. Foxy, give back the cat. Give Evan, or Foxy, whoever you are,
Come give me the cat.
Evan, actually, come on.
Give me Foxy.
Anyway,
Whoa, tubular dudes. That's a nice cat.
thank you, Foxy. Give me Foxy.
Yarg, sorry, I got a little carried away there. I love cats.
Stop stomping, Evan. Anyway, well, how about we give the cat a treat? It needs a treat.
Well,
Yeah, I guess. Since technically it is its first day here. And it's pretty young, too, depending on how small it is.
and we're pretty small compared to. Anyway, let's give her a cupcake. That's like twice her body size. She'll nibble on it for a couple days. Cupcake. 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 Meow. Cupcake. No! I think it liked it.
You think? It just literally evaporated. It literally inhaled that thing.
Yarg. I was gonna eat that later. I'm sad now.
Well,
I think I'm gonna go to bed.
yeah, same. I'm gonna go to bed too. It is pretty. Bro, that thing grew quick. Guys, I think the cat grew up.
What did you do to my cat?
What did you do to my cat? You fed it way too much. It literally looks like the size of a cow.
Your mom's a cow.